Joint promise, section 43. When two or more persons make joint promise, promisee may compel any one or more of such joint promisors to perform the whole promise in absence of a contrary express agreement. This again is an important provision. In case of a joint promise, the option lies with the promisee. He can get any one of the joint promisors or more than one of the joint promisors to perform the whole of the promise. Let's take an illustration. And before we come to the illustration, this second provision can also be seen. In case of a joint promise, any joint promisor may compel every other joint promisor to contribute equally with himself to perform the promise unless contrary intention appears from the contract. So, between the promisors also, each promisor has to contribute equally. So, there are two aspects. Firstly, as far as the promisee is concerned, the first aspect is, as far as the promisee is concerned, he can get the promise performed from any of the promisors. So this part deals with the option available to the promisee. In the second provision, we are considering the situation between the promisors, amongst the promisors. And this provision provides that all the promisors must contribute equally as far as the performance is concerned. This is between themselves. Promisee is not bothered about it. Promisee can get his promise performed from any of the promisors, but as far as the promisors themselves are concerned, of course, they must contribute equally.